hopping straight into this video. This wig is from Myfirstwig. Be sure to check my description box just in case you guys are interested. So here we have the packaging, and with the packaging came some goodies. And let me just read off the wig details. So this is their new invisible air lace wig. It is 100% Malaysian human hair. It's glueless, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. The cap construction is a 13x6. The density is 130%. And don't be scared by the 130%. I know it's given thin, but I promise you this wig was not thin at all. The density was very much given natural, but not given thin. And the length is 16 inches, which I feel like this is the perfect length for these flexi rods. Now I can't lie, I have been loving putting flexi rods in my wigs, but the main reason I put flexi rods in this particular wig is because it's a silky texture and I wanted my curls to last throughout the day. And with these flexi rods, my curls stayed intact, so I was happy about that. Now on to the lace, because as y'all can see, the pre-plucked game was gaming. Like, it was giving everything you need as far as it looking real. And the lace melt so good into my skin. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. Now, when I wore this, I did not add any finishing powder, which it kind of gave off an ashy look in certain ways I turned my head. So I do wish that I would have added a little bit of finishing powder, but besides that, the lace was definitely given. I love the fact that it already came pre-plucked and everything. The knots look amazing on this wig. If you're wondering what curling tool I use my flat iron, and I just added the flexi rods as I curled the hair. I ended up styling this wig in 2 styles, which I really like. I really like the updo style, but y'all let me know what you think. And I did not do anything to the edges. I felt like the hairline looked so real. I didn't need to do any of that. And this was pretty simple and easy. I think the curls came out so juicy and cute. And y'all see that up close and personal? Look at that hairline. It looks like mine's for sure. And y'all just wait for the end look. She was given. But look how easy it is just to finger comb through these curls. And this look right here, everything. When I play this stuff back, I be so mad, like, oh, I should have stopped there. I should have just like rocked it like this. I don't know. But you guys let me know what you think. And if you are interested in this wig, I will leave all the details in my description box. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.
She let me do her. wish she let me do her.